Hey guys, it's Michelle. For this review is going to be pretty much a blind box review, some LOLs and new ones, and I even got some gachas for the first time and a little charm. But first, I want to start off with some of the non-blind box things that I got today and yesterday. So I got these from the dollar area in Target, and they're really cute. There's some gel pens, and I really love unicorns, so I don't really care about the smiley faces that much, but the cupcakes and the unicorns and stuff are really cute, so that's why I got them. And they're scented. And then I got this little notebook, so I'm starting to get into stationery. And that's what it looks like. And then I got these 3 manga. I haven't read manga in a long time, and I still have quite a few to read. Still got to read Tokyo Ghoul, and I've got to finish Fuhiki Yugi. But I got these 3. This one actually, Is It Wrong to Try to Pick Girls in a Dungeon, is not actually a manga. You see, it opens differently, but it's not like, it's got some pictures in it, but it's mainly a book with some pictures and a colored like little poster. It's cute. Is I got in the U section of my comic shop at the mall. I haven't watched this anime, so I should probably watch it. I don't know if I should read it first or watch the anime. What do you guys think? Do you usually read manga or books first, or do you watch the show or movie first? I got School Live, which I've read tons of reviews on and everything, but I still haven't watched the anime. It's pretty cute. I do know, like, it looks really cute, but it's also very, like, kind of scantily, like, it's a zombie apocalypse kind of thing, but as you could see from they look too young to be dressed like that, but, so yeah, but I did get one of those. And then I got Purella Magi Kazumi Magica, which I haven't watched more than one episode of Madoka Magica, and I know there's just so much anime, and I know I need to watch that too. My niece is like, it's really good, but it's like Magical Girl, but twisted and everything. This one is like a new series, I think, because I don't recognize any of the people in it, or the characters. There's that one, but it looks really good, and I already have a favorite girl that I really like in the original, which is Homura. Yeah, from what I've seen, I like her. Okay, and so I got these Gashapon for the first time. I didn't even know our comic shop had these, and then I got this ReZero, which I haven't seen either, but the characters are so cute, especially like that one, and I think she has like a twin sister. Yeah, the one with the pink hair. So I think I'm going to open these up first and show you. I'll start off with the keychain. We'll see which one I got. It looks like I got the special. Is this like the villain? It's a little weird looking. This must be the villain, but I think I got the special because I looked on the side of the box. I really wanted one of the girls. Yeah, he must be the special one you get, so that's pretty cool, but I'm not sure, maybe I'll sell it or give it to my bestie. He doesn't know what anime this is, though, because he's a little weird. I know he's the special one, but I don't know, yeah, Don't really want to keep him though, just because of that. So yeah, I might sell him maybe. We'll see. Oh, that's kind of disappointing because I wanted one of the girls, but it's cool that I got a special. Next, I will do, since I already know what these two are, I'll do this was a Mimikyu centric box from Pokemon, so I'll open this one first. So it looks like I got flat Mimikyu. Kind of looks like it's in a puddle. Like it's a puddle. It's kind of cute. Pretty good quality. These are the ones that could have gotten. All the other ones could have gotten. I would have liked either the original one or this one right here. But this one's still cute too. So it'll go in my little box for safekeeping since I don't have any room to put any more of my little toys up. So yeah, that's pretty cute. Okay. Now we will open the Yuri on Ice ones. So these are all the ones you can get. And I could see through the Gashapon, so I knew which one, I kind of picked it out myself. I only got two, so I got this one. Victor with the puppy. And I want Victor. I want Victor like that, and then I want that of the other Yuri too. And those are all the ones you can get. So I got, and a stand. They're like little cup holders. So he goes like this. So that's how Victor stands. His little puppy. Oh, it's a puppy tissue paper. Okay, I thought it was an actual puppy with a bow on it. So there he stands, and I will open up the other one I got. The other one I got, if you can see it, is Yuri when he's ice skating. There's his ice skating. So it's pretty good for a little crane toy. And he goes, how does he go on his thing? Sure. Does he just... Okay. See, he just rests his arm on there like that. So that's how he goes on it. So there we both are. Those are all the Gashapons, and I think I will open my first little WOODZIES that I got. The first one I've ever gotten, so let's see which one I get out of here. So this one I got, it's a pig, kind of looks like three little pigs from Goldie and Bear. It's fuzzy. I'm not really a big fan of this one, unfortunately. There was a lot of other ones that I wanted to get. Like, there's a list. I would have preferred the panda with the bow. Okay, and he's... Oh, come on. Perry pig. Okay. Prefer the panda with the bow. Any of the girl ones, really. Or even that skunk. Bears. Yeah, I wanted more of the ones with the bows and flowers in their hair rather than the pig. So I might give give this one to my bestie. I think he'd like it. I mean, it's cute, but just not really my type. So my first Woodsie is gonna be me. So I think we'll open the kitty in my pocket next. Alright, so for these, oh, I hope I didn't get a repeat. No, it's not a repeat. It's almost like it's a different version of, that's really cute. It's a really cute one. And I want my Luna girl. Nope. I got a calico, it looks like. It's a big bow, a fluffy tail. Would be a Himalayan, maybe. Really pretty though. So those are the two I got. And Lulu. Oh, a ragamuffin. Really? I guess unless they're like sprawled out or something, you can't really tell. Okay, so Lulu the ragamuffin and oh, Willow is so cute, little witch hat. Oh, these are different. Oh, these are series 5. Okay, and DJ Scratchy, a brown and white tabby. So those are both very cute. These are series 5. I'm gonna have to remember. Ooh, there's the sparkly kitty, Tiffany. I don't like Persians, but she's cute. So I'm gonna have to remember the series ones that I have. I think these ones appear series 4, and then I got these two series 5. So because I need black and white cat for in series 4, so I can get one that looks like my kitty Luna. Okay, so I got these two. They're really cute. They're cute. DJ Whiskers. That's cute. It doesn't really remind me of a ragamuffin, but it is tiny. Does it have the small feet? Yeah, I think it does. Kind of have the small feet on it. Small legs. Or no, that's not ragamuffin. That's a oh, I can't remember the name now. But anyway, yeah, they're both really cute. Now on to the LOLs. So this one color changes. I don't seem to have gotten the clue. I don't know. Maybe it's the last one. I don't know, but we'll see. So here's everything. This is got to be the little sister. So I could have sworn they came in this, but this is like big. I have no idea what it is. But it said it's dark in here. I thought that meant they're in here. Well, I guess not. We'll just open one of the little smaller ones and see what's inside. Okay, so this is a bag that I was feeling. It says Little Champ on it. It's really cute. It's like tennis. So she's like a tennis player, or her sister is. So we'll see which one she is. So I got my second little black baby. Just like the one up there. So cute. And it says she color changes, so we're gonna see how she color changes. I actually don't have time to do that right now, but I'm sure she color changes into something really cute. I will possibly post a photo on my Tumblr or something of her color change. So, and she is Little Court Champ. So I guess there's no rarity one for these ones, so none of them are really rare or special or anything. But she's just cute. There she is. Now it's time to open the last two. Actually, I did manage to get some water, so we will take her out of her little bag I put her in and see how she color changes. I hope it's in hot water, because that's what I got. Maybe it's in cold water. So it said she's color changed. I don't see it. So if anyone knows how she color changes or if she does. Oh, there we go. Her buns. Do her buns color change a little bit, maybe? Not sure. Okay, well, if anyone knows how she color changes, let me know. She might color change with cold water, but I only have hot right now. Okay. And says best in show, so it could very well be that one. Who knows? And it's got some yellow sand or litter. About 3 bags, and plus the animal, the pet. So we'll open these first. Okay, so we got a pastel pink bottle, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a safety pin on it. It's so cute. It's pastel pink. And we also got a blue pooper scooper with a dog bone, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a dog. And this is actually a sash. I am pretty sure I know which puppy. I've seen them on PS Toy Reviews. I think I know which puppy I'm getting. Yep, so I got Miss Puppy. I think she's a Chihuahua. She's pretty cute. I think she might be a color change, so let me try and see if she does. No, but I think, hold on. Okay, so she's a crier. So she cries. So let's see what's in her. I'm pretty sure it's a crown. Let's see what's in the sand. Inside is pink sand. So let's see. Oh, I feel something. I think it's, yep, it's a crown. And that's all she has. Like, unless they come with shoes, they only come with one item in the sand. So there's her little crown, and I will put her all together, and we'll see how she looks. So there's Miss Puppy, all dolled up, and she looks so cute. And so there's Miss Puppy. She's pretty cute. And this is the last one of the haul, like confetti pop. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like show the popping or not. Probably not, because I just need to get this done so I can upload it. So here's the clue, Rock the Beat. So we're gonna open up these two first. Maybe. I'm gonna have to do this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this without recording. And here are the blind bags, and now we'll open it. So, and then you just pull on that and it pops up. I'm not gonna be able to do it holding the phone camera thing, so yeah, so just wait until I have a tripod for that. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it now. Alright, so unfortunately, I already have her. My bestie gave me gave me her, so she is Cheeky Babe, so I already have her. If anyone would like her, or you can comment down below, or for the strap or the pig. Anyone would like either of those, comment down below and I'll see what I can do. Otherwise, I'll just give this one to my son and these to my bestie if I don't get any comments on this. Alright, well, and that is the last one. So it wasn't a great, surprise haul for me. But as far as the surprise ones goes, I think the kitties, well, actually I think this one with the tennis racket, the little, is my favorite. So which ones are yours? Would you like the LOL confetti, the little sister, the ReZero charm of the special one, the WOODZIES, the kitten surprises, the puppy surprise ones, Miss Puppy LOL ones, or even the two from Yuri on Ice, or not even ones that were blind bags, my dollar store stationery not dollar store, but my stationery and glitter pins, or one of the mangas / books, Madoka School Live, or Is It Wrong to Pick Up Girls in a Dungeon? So comment below which one was your favorite. Again, I think mine was the LOL Little Sister. And the Yuri on Ice ones, I like those a lot too. But I knew which ones I was getting with those. Alright, so that is all for this haul. And I will see you next time. Bye.